Good morning, guys. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, today we'll discuss about the map interface. So before going to start the map interface, so the main purpose of collection framework is to store the group of objects, right? For example, we can assume this is the collection, and the collection main purpose is it will store the group of objects, like object meaning any real world entity. Like we can take a car as the one object, some bike as the one object, and some book as the one object. Okay, some all the things we can take a we can take example as the object. Okay, these are the group of objects. Collection main purpose is to store the group of objects, right? Collection main purpose is to store the group of objects. Okay, this is the collection. So in the collection topic, we done the discussion with list and set, right? So in the list and set, the main purpose is also same, to store the group of object. To store the group of object. Okay, the list and set main purpose is to store the group of object. But what is the difference between the like a collection and map interfaces? In the map, we can store the group of object with key and value pair. Key value. Okay, I will show you normally, then we'll get the clarity on it. Map is also used to store the group of data, but in the format of key value pair. For example, here I will take one is the key and second one is the value. Okay, like this. If I take like this, and here I will take as the first column is key. Okay, first column I am taking is the key. Okay, and the second column I am taking as the value. Okay, second column I am taking as the value. Now here I am taking some examples with I am taking the data is some 101. Okay, and then here you can take the value is some, I am taking some name, some Razu, and here also I am taking the value is 102, and then here the value I am taking some Rani. Okay, I'm storing the data, and this is like I'm storing the data in the form of key value pair. That is the one point. And one more important point is one key and one value is called one entry. Are you guys clear with my point? One one key and one value is called one entry. So if anyone will ask like what is map, can you please explain? At the time you can tell map is nothing but group of entries. Okay, group of entries. Now simply what I do here, I will mention this is one entry. This is one entry. Entry. Okay, this is the entry number one, and then if I take this is like as a one pair, and this is entry number two. This is the entry number two. That is the entry one, and this is the entry number two. So if anyone they will ask like what does it mean by map meaning? The main map purpose is to store the group of entries. Okay, map is nothing but collection of entries. One entry meaning one key and one value. Okay, as of now is clear, right? So should I take any value for the for the value, like should I take the, in this case I am taking the string, should I take the integers, should I take the doubles, should I take the float values, is there any restrictions? No, there is no restrictions. So the value data type is object. Are you guys clear with my point? The value data type is the object. And then what does it mean by key? We'll go with the value. Value data type is object. Value data type is object. Okay. Okay, fine. Then what does, in case of key, key data type is also object. Meaning keys you can take anything, values you can take anything. Are you guys clear with my point? Keys we can take anything. Values also we can take anything. Okay. The keys might be the, you can take strings, you can take integers, you can take double values, you can take float values. Okay. The keys we should take anything. In the same way, object also you can take anything. Okay. The both together key and value pair is called as one entry. Map is nothing but collection of entries. Collection of entries. Okay, the data type for the value is object. You can take any value, might be integers, might be strings, anything, any data type you can take. In case of key also we can take any data. Key data type is also object, we can take anything. We- that might be the integer, that might be the string, anything you can take. As of now is clear. Collection is, the main purpose of collection is to store the group of objects. The main purpose of map is there, in the collection there we have the list and set, right there they can store individual objects only individual objects they can able to store. But in case of map, it can store the object with respect to key. Okay, that's why map is the, which is the map main purpose is to store the collection of entries. One entry meaning key and value format. Key and value format. Okay, so I will write some points about the map interface. Map, first point, map is the interface. Map is the interface which is available in java.util package. Map is the interface which is available in, which is available in java.util package. Java.util package. Okay, so next thing is, this is the first point. Okay, next point is map is used to store the map store the data. Map store the data, store the data in key value format. In key value format. Key value format. Okay. Next point is one. I would say key value is called one entry. One key, one key value is called one entry. Is called one entry. One entry. Okay. One entry, right? Next point is, next point is map is group of entries. Okay, map contain, one map contain, one map contain group of entries. One map contain number of entries. Okay, there is no restrictions. Number of entries. Okay, so at the time of taking the key and values, values you can take anything, but keys should not take duplicate. Okay, keys should be the keys, I would say keys should be in a queue. Key should be in a queue, and in a queue meaning no duplicate, and values can be duplicate. Values can be duplicate. Values can be duplicate. Are you guys clear with my point? For example, if you take the key as a duplicate value, then what will happen? For example, if you take key as the duplicate, then what will happen? Then it is replaced. It replaced old key with new key. Old key with new key. Old key with new key. Are you guys clear with my point? If you are trying to store the duplicate value, then what will happen? It will replace with old key with new key. Old key with new key. Okay. These are the few points. Map is the interface which is available in java.util package, and map main purpose is to store the data in key value format. One key value is called one entry. One map contains number of entries. Key should be in a queue. Values can be duplicated. Values can be duplicated. Okay. And data type is keys for the object, value also object. You can take any values. You can take any values. Like the examples, for example, I will show you some examples. If I take some data, I'm taking some Raju, and I'm taking some like Rani, and then 1 or 3 I will take some name is Ravi, and then 1 or 4 some I will take some Madhu. Okay, I'm taking the Madhu. So this is valid. This is the keys I am taking as the integer. And in this case, I am taking as the string. This is the example number 1. Okay, we'll go with example number 2. So, you know, population, right? India population around, we can simply take 120 crores. Okay, if you take the US population is, you can take 30 crores. And then if you take UK population is, we can take 20 crore. Okay, 20 crore. If you see here, in the key places I am taking as the string, and value in the values places I am taking as the population. Should I take like this? Yes, you can take. Okay, the data type you can take anything. The data type you can take anything. That might be the string, that might be the integer. The data type you can take anything. Got it? Okay, so map is the interface, right? Map is having the implementation classes. Map is having implementation classes. Implementation classes are like the first one is hash map, and the second one is linked hash map, and the third one is the linked hash map, and third one is tree map. Not only these three, their implementation class, there are several multiple implementation classes are available. So among those, we are discussing three only, okay? But the implementation classes, we have several implementation classes will be there. So among those, we are discussing hash map, linked hash map, and tree map. Okay, so generally, like the main purpose of all subclasses, I would say all these are all the classes. Hash map is the predefined class, linked hash map is the predefined class, tree map is a predefined class. This all classes main purpose is to store the entries, to store the data in the format of key and values only. Key and values only. Okay, key and values. But what is the difference? Is the difference is data structure, how they are storing the data. Only the difference is data structure. Remaining all the classes main purpose is to store the data in format of, to store the data in key value format. Key value format. Here the thing is in hash map. So in the last session we already done the difference between hash set and linked hash set. Okay, in the hash map it not follow any insertion order. It won't follow insertion order. Insertion order. Okay, in case of here it will follow insertion order. It will follow insertion order. It will follow insertion order. It will maintain insertion order. Okay. Okay. The data structure here it is. It will follow here it will follow hash table. Here it will follow hash table plus doubly linked list, and here it will follow tree map, tree structure. Okay, tree data structure they will follow. All the classes main purpose is to store the data in key value format. The difference is in case of hash map, it won't allow the insertion order. In case of linked hash map, it will follow the insertion order. And in case of tree map, it will follow the tree structure. Tree structure. Okay. Okay, we'll see one by one. Then we'll get some clarity on it. Hash map and all classes is having the methods are like put method. So in the previous sessions, we will use the add method, right? But in case of maps, we will use the put method. Put method is which is used to store the key and values. Which is put is the method which is used to store the key values, key value. Okay, which is in the format of key and value format. Key and value format where we have the get method. So get the value based on the key. Get the value based on the key. Based on the key. Okay. Next we have the remove method. Where we have the remove method. Where we have the remove method. So remove method also to remove the entry. To remove remove the value. To remove the value based on the key. Okay. Based on the key. So some predefined methods are available. So this is the implementation class. So we'll go with one by one. First we will discuss about the hash map. We'll discuss with the hash map. So hash map is the which is the predefined class. Hash map is the implementation class for the hash map. Hash map is the implementation class for the map interface. Implementation class for the map interface. Okay, map interface. And the second point here it is hash map is the predefined class which is available in java.util package. Predefined class which is available in java.util package. Java.util package. Okay, and then the next thing is it is the purpose which is used to store the data in key value format. Data in key value format. Okay, next thing is it won't allow insertion order. Or you can say it won't maintain insertion order. Okay, it won't maintain insertion order. insertion order insertion order. Okay, so the data structure is hash table. Hash map data structure is hash table. Okay, hash table. I will go with IDE and then we'll see some examples. So I will create one package with the map package. So the shortcut for that one is click on the package and then Control N and then look for the package and then click on the package and here you can give the package name. So in my case, I'm giving map as the package name, and then control N. Here you can give the class name. The class name you can take anything. In my case, I'm taking the class name as the demo. Demo. Okay. Now, first we will discuss about the hash map. Hash map is the predefined class. If I want to use the predefined class, how can I utilize that one? We need to create the object. With the help of object, you can create. Okay. So for creating the object, I can take main method. Inside the main method, I am calling the predefined method by using the new keyword hash map. Okay. And then what will happen? The object got created inside the heap memory, and this one is the predefined class, right? So we need to import mandatory. We need to import the path. Okay, import package. So I'm importing that one, and then so here the thing is we can directly take this one as the, for example, I would say I'm taking the hs as the reference variable. So hash map you can take as the parent. I would say data type hash map. Okay, this is the one way. Another way is we can take parent class of this hash map also. Parent class of this hash map also. Are you guys clear with my point? For example, I will show you here. Generally, map is the interface, right? Map is the interface. Under the map, we have the implementation classes are like hash map and linked hash map, and then we have the tree map, right? We have the tree map. Okay. So in these three cases, you can take data type as the same class, or you can take the parent also. You can take the parent also. Okay, that is called here. In case of this one, if I take the map, that is also fine. That is also fine. But here you can mention with java.util package, and then this is also fine. You can take the same class as the data type, that is also valid. You can take parent is also data type, that is also valid. Both case is valid. Okay, both case is valid. Okay, hash map. Now the method is put method, right? Hs dot, you can look for the put method. Then if you see here, put meaning object key and object value, meaning this is the I would say variable name, and this variable name data type is the object, and this is the reference variable name, this reference variable data type is the object. Meaning in place of key you can take anything, in place of value you can take anything. You can take anything. Are you guys clear with my point? You can take string, you can take here in this place of key you can take string, any data type you can take. Okay, so I am simply click on it, and then here for normally I will mention with some 101, and then here this is the string, right? So always string within double quotation only. I am taking here some Rani. Okay, same data, like if I want to store the multiple the data hs dot put, and here I would like to take some data is 1 or 2, and then if I would like to take some Raju. Okay, some same data I'm taking, and then hs dot here I would like to take 1 or 3. Okay, and then here I would like to mention some Madhu. Okay, some Madhu. If I would like to mention some Madhu, then this is the I have stored the 3 entries. This is the one entry, and this is the one entry, and this is the one entry, and this hs is the reference variable which is used to hold the group of entries, right? Okay, now what I am doing, I am try to print those values by using the hs. I'm save, and then if I run this one, So console, where we have the console. Oh, you are getting 101 Rani, 102 Raju, and 103 Madhu, right? But what I am saying is, it hash map, it won't follow any insertion order. For example, now what I am doing, I'm cut these two lines and then simply I will paste here. Okay, I will paste here and then I am saving this one and then I am running this one. Now if you see, are you guys clear with my point? So 102 is the Raju, 103 is the Madhu, and 101 is the Rani. But it is printing the previous, I would say, it is not following the any insertion order. Okay, I am inserting like that, but it is not following the insertion order. It is not following the any insertion order. For example, like some data here I will take. Here I would like to mention some 105 and then okay. Values you can take duplicate, but key should not be duplicate. Okay, I'm saving this one and then if I run this one, if you see, I have inserted 105 also, but it is displaying at the last position. It is displayed at the last position. So which means hash map doesn't follow any insertion order. Hash map won't maintain insertion order. Okay, this is clear. Now we'll try to understand with respect to keys as the duplicate. Okay. Now if you see, we can observe here 101 is Rani and I am replacing with 101 with some other name like some will take any other name, some Bhavya. Okay, I'm saving this one. So whatever rules, values you can take duplicate, but key should not be duplicate. If you take duplicate as the key, then what will happen? It will it will replace the old key with new key. Old key with new key. This is the old key, right? This is the old key. This one is the old key. And when you are trying to replace with the same key, then what will happen? Old key is replaced with new key. Old key is replaced with new key. Okay, I am saving this file. If I run on this, now if you see here, so Bhavya is coming. Then where is Rani? Hmm? Rani is gone. Okay, so again, what we will do? Again, we'll take in case of Rani. In case of Bhavya, we will take one more other name. We will take some Hindu. Okay, I'm saving this one, and then if I run this one, Hindu is coming. Bhavya and Rani is gone. Okay, which means whenever you are the duplicate keys should not be taken as the duplicate. If you are trying to store the key as the duplicate, old key replaced with new key. Old key is replaced with new key. So that is the point you need to understand here. Okay, these all the points are clear, which is used to store the data in key value format. Uh, Next thing is it won't follow, it won't maintain insertion order. Data structure is hash table, and key should not should not be duplicate. Key should not be duplicate, and and values can be duplicate. Values can be duplicate. Values can be duplicate. Are you guys clear with my point? Values can be duplicate. Similarly, we'll be having the methods are like, for example, hs dot. If you click on some like a clear method, if you want to clear the hash map, then you can use the clear map. Then the entire this reference, this map will be cleared. This map will be cleared. This is the predefined class, right? This predefined class also, like, you can go to your the document. You can go to the document, that is the Java SE document. If you go to the document, and then you can look for the java.util package. These all are the predefined packages. If you go with util package, you click on the util package. So package which contains group of interfaces and classes, right? If I come down, where we have the hash map is the class, and we have the interface also, map interface. Okay, map is also predefined interface. If I click on the map, so if you see here, all of you, can you please read this slide? An object that maps key values. A map cannot contain duplicate keys, and each key can map to at most one value. Okay, so map interface cannot contain duplicate values. Each key maintain each value. Are you guys clear with my point? And then, okay, if I scroll up, these all are the methods, like clear method which is used to remove all the mappings from this map. Okay, next, where we have the contains key method, entry set method, equals method, and a get method, and hash code method, is empty method, key set method, put all method, okay, remove method, okay, next replace method, size method, values method. These all are the methods are available in map interface. Map interface, these all methods you can utilize child classes also. Map child classes are the, we can use these all methods in hash map class, and a linked hash map class, and tree map class. All the child classes you can utilize these methods. All the classes you can utilize these methods, right? So for example, if you use the clear method, clear, this one is the hs dot clear method. If you use the clear, and then if you would like to mention sysout statement ss, then if I save this file, if I run on the file, then you see the map is empty, right? So map clear is the method. It will clear all the entries. It will clear all the entries are available in the hs map. Okay, hs reference variable. Okay, fine. Now the next thing is, null values also can take the same. Here I'm taking some null values also can take instead of some data, and then if here I am would like to take some null value, it will take null value also. If, um, hs, and then you can save this one, and then you can run this one. So you can take the null values also. In case of values, you can take null values. Okay, but keys you should not take as the null values, and keys you should not take as the null values, and keys you should not take as the duplicate values. But here you can take null values, you can take duplicate values also. Okay, similarly, where we have the methods are like hs dot, where we have the get key. For example, here if I mention some 103, 103, right? 103. Okay, so this one I am mentioning inside the sysout statement. You can take the sysout statement, and where you can mention the hs dot get 103, and then if I save this one, and then you can run that one. we are getting uh, Madhu as the value with respect to key, with respect to key. Okay, so similarly we can, where we have the contains method, where we can check the which is there or not there. HS dot contains, yeah, contains key, contains value. Okay, for example, here we'll mention, for example, 105. If I mention the 105, I am replacing this one inside the sysau statement. Hmm. If you take the 101, so it will take only the latest value. Okay, it replaces with old values. If I take the hs dot contains key and 105, and then if I save this one and if I run this one, if you see, it will give you as the true. If I take some 108, and then what will happen if you save this one, it will return the false value. So similarly you can check with the object also, check with the value also. HS dot contains value. So here also, in case of contains value, we can take some Hindu is there or not there, you can cross check. So this one you can pass inside the sysout statement. You can pass inside the sysout statement and you can pass Hindu here. Okay, you can save the file and then you can run the file. You can run the file. So Hindu is the, oh, this is the old one, right? This is the old one. If you delete this one, then you will get the Hindu. Then you will get the Hindu. So I am saving this one. Now in this case, you will get the Hindu as the true. Hindu as the true. Okay. Hindu as the so. So these are the methods we will use while I would say hash map. Okay. So this is the example for hash map. So I'm copying this one as the example. And then if you want format this one, Control Shift F is the formatting of the our code. Okay, Control Shift F. You can select all the code and then press Control Shift F. Then you can format all the code. Okay, I'm copying this one, Control A and then Control C. And this is the example for hash map. This is the example for the hash map. Okay, next one we have the linked hash map, whereas linked hash map, first point is, it is the implementation class for the map interface. And second point here, it is a linked hash map is the predefined class, which is available in java.util package, which is available in java.util package, java.util package. Okay, the main purpose of linked hash map is, which is used to store the data, store the data in key value pair, key value format, key value format. Okay, here also key should not be duplicate, keys should not be duplicate, keys should not be duplicate, and values can be duplicate, values can be duplicated. Okay, next thing is it will maintain insertion order. It will maintain insertion order. It will maintain insertion order. Okay, it will maintain insertion order. Data structure is, data structure is hash table plus double linked list. Hash table plus double linked list, double linked list. This is the data structure. Data structure is hash table plus double linked list. Okay, so we can create the object with the respect to same class, or you can create the object with parent class also. Linked hash map, linked hash map, and then we can mention with LHS equal to new uh, hash map. This is also new linked hash map. Linked hash map. This is also valid case, and then this is a valid one. Okay, next one is we can create linked hash map. This is also valid case. This is also valid. You can follow any one. You can follow anyone. Okay, the both are valid only. You can create with respect to the same class, or we can create with respect to parent also. Okay. Okay, fine. So simply I'm going to here, and then now I'm taking as the, so simply what I'm taking linked hash map, and then here I'm mentioning with the new keyword import this one, and then I'm storing in some LHS, and then I'm mentioning with linked hash map, linked hash map. Okay, if you can take the same reference variable also, if you take the same reference variable, then it's fine, then it's fine. Now the thing is, you can cross check the rules is same, rules is same, but here you can observe like it is following the insertion or not. Okay, if I run this one, so if I delete this one also, if I will comment this one, I will take the sysout statement, I will take the sysout statement. Okay, here I will pass hs, you can take, so here I am taking hs, you can take anything. Okay, reference variable you can take anything. So instead of writing all these things directly, I am using the same hs. Okay, if I run this one, if you see it is following the insertion order or not. Yes, it is following the insertion order. So that is the difference only in between hash map and linked hash map. It will maintain, hash map won't maintain. Okay, it will maintain, hash map won't maintain. Okay, and then remaining rules are same, like if you are trying, if you are trying to store with the a new key, then it can replace with old one. For example, here if I add some null value, like by using the same data, I'm copying this one, and then if I replace with this one, and then if I mention with the null value, then Hindu is replaced with null. For example, I'm saving this one, and then if I run this one, if you see the result, you can see the result. So Hindu is gone, Madhu is gone, null is coming. Okay, null is coming. So remaining methods all are the same. Okay, remaining methods all are the same. So this is the example for linked hash map. Okay, linked hash map. Okay, next thing is tree map. Tree map is also the first point in case of tree map. It is the implementation class for the, it is the implementation class for the map interface. Implementation class for the map interface. Map interface. Okay. Second point is tree map is the predefined class. Tree map is the predefined class. So whenever you are writing the predefined class, so it should be like that only. Everything is case sensitive. Everything is case sensitive. Should follow according. You should follow the naming convention according to the like this only. Okay. then only it will work. If you are not following the same standards, it won't work. Why? Because those all are the predefined. Okay, those all are the predefined. So everything is matters. Okay, capitalization, everything is matters in case of predefined keywords and predefined classes. Everything is matters. Okay, you have to follow the same structure. Predefined map, tree map is the predefined class which is available. Java.util package. Okay, okay, Java.util package. Next part is tree map, which is used to store the data, which is used to store the data in key value format. Key value format. Okay. Next thing is keys should not be duplicate. Keys should not be duplicate, and values can be duplicate. Values can be duplicate. Duplicate. Next thing is tree map. Data structure. Data structure is tree. Tree data structure. Okay. Data structure is tree data structure. Right. So remaining the process is the same. Like here also you can create the object by using the same class name, and then you can use the map interface also. For example, if I take the tree and then uh, tree map, and you can mention some tm equal to new tree map. This is one case. Okay, this is the one case, and second case is this is the one case, and second case is you can take that directly as the map. Tm you can mention, and then you can mention with the new tree map. You can mention with new tree map. Got it right? So the same I'm coming here, and here instead of linked hash map, what I will do here, what I will do, so simply I'm taking as the new tree map. New tree map. Okay, new tree map I am taking as the tree map. You can import the util package and click on it, and then you can, I'm storing in the reference variable as the hs only, and then this hs data type is the tree map. Tree map. Okay, this is the one way, and you can take as the parent also map. This is the one way. This is the one way, and this is the one way. Okay, remaining the structure, everything is the same. Only the difference is, it will follow the tree tree data structure. Tree data structure. So I am saving that one, and then if I run this one, you can get the data. Can get the data. We can get the data, right? If you observe here, in the tree map, it is following the sorting order. So if I replace with any values, like we'll take with some 107 here, and then 109 here, 109 here. Okay, and then if I save this one, and then I'm I'm cutting those two statements, and then I am paste here. Control Shift F. I'm arranging the code. Okay, this is fine. I'm saving this one, and then if I run this one, so it is following the sorting order. Sorting order. Okay, wherever you can take the values, it will follow the sorting order. Okay, for example, here if I take Some 110, the same values, few more values I will copy from here and then I will paste here. Now here I will mention some 110, okay, triple one, triple one, and then here we will take 112. Okay, I'm saving this one, and then if I copy this one, so it is following the sorting order. Okay, this is following the sorting order. So that is also one advantage with tree map. Tree map. So that is also one point. It will maintain. It will maintain sorting order. It will maintain sorting order. Okay, it will maintain sorting order. So this is the thing we can remember in case of maps. In case of maps, okay. First one is the hash map. Second one is the linked hash map. Third one is the tree map. Third one is the tree map. Third one is the tree one. So all of you, can you please read all these lines? What is the first line? Map is the interface which is available in java.util package. Next slide. Map stores the data in key value format. What is the third line? Next. Mm, mm. What is the object for the keys? What is the data type for the keys? Object. What is the data type for the values? Object. Okay, you can take anything. Here also, these are the two examples. And next, what about hash map? Map interface. Second line. Third line. Next. Mm, mm, duplicate. Okay, this is clear. This is the example for the hash map. Next. 1 second. Uh, for what is the first line? It is implementation calls for the map interface. Uh, uh, Linked hash map. Okay, linked hash map. This one, linked hash map. Okay, so this is replacing with. Okay, this one is the linked hash map. Next, which is used to store the data in key value format. Next, next, it will maintain insertion order. Next, objects. We can take these two types. Both are valid. Next, this is the example for the uh, linked hash map. Okay, next, in case of tree, what is the first statement? It is the implementation class for the map interface. Tree map is the predefined class which is available in java.util package, mm, which is used to store the data. And fourth line, next, tree data structure. Okay. Uh, Next point is it will maintain the sorting order. So how you insert the values also, it can sort and it will show the result. Okay, these are the two ways. So what you guys will do the assignment and then you can share in the group, and then